Hi Scholarly friends! Did you know you can customize the look of headings and text in your document directly from your toolbar and set the new styles as default for future documents? Yes, you can. The toolbar menu gives users access to a quick and simple method to customize the styles used in a document. You can customize headings 1 through 6 in the Styles toolbar menu. So let's say that the standard for a heading 1 is to have it set at 35 point in Times New Roman, black. Go ahead and write a headline in that style. Select the text, then click the Styles toolbar menu. Click the arrow that appears as you hover over heading 1 or another style, then choose Update Style to match selection. Do that a few times for the different headings you need or for the standard normal text you'd like to set. To lock those into place as your default, click and mouse down over the drop-down style box and look at the bottom. Here, you'll have a few options. When your headings and text styles are in place, click Save as My Default Styles and you'll get a reassuring confirmation message. Now, anytime you're working in a document and want to call up your specialized headings, head back to that options list and choose Use My Default Styles. Here, you can also reset your style. How convenient it is! Let us know how you get on by commenting down below. Hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upload.